Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 5? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Nala, with the subject of English reading and writing. Today we are going to do an activity of comprehension. This comprehension activity will be done for the lesson A Fresh Idea. That is lesson number 1 from unit 1. During our previous 3 lessons, not only we did the reading of the story, also we have written words, meanings and sentences. These are the two main objectives for our today's online lecture. The students will be able to learn how to comprehend the text. Also, they are going to answer the questions. Question number 1. Was the idea profitable for Molly? And here is the answer. Yes, the idea was profitable as Molly had earned $20. Yes, the idea was profitable as Molly had earned $20. Question number 2. What problem Molly and her mother is facing? What problem Molly and her mother is facing? And here's the answer. Actually, they are facing a problem about the tomatoes. Actually, they are facing a problem about the tomatoes. Question number 3. How was the problem resolved? How was the problem resolved? And here's the answer. The problem was resolved by getting a loan from Mr. Taylor. The problem was resolved by getting a loan from Mr. Taylor. Question number 4. How many characters are there in the story? How many characters are there in the story? And here's the answer. Mr. Taylor, Molly, Molly's mom and Mrs. Fair are the 4 characters. Mr. Taylor, Molly, Molly's mom and Mrs. Fair are the 4 characters. So far we have done our 4 questions and their relevant answers. I hope you will have done the same in your notebooks. Keep your notebooks neat and clean, because you are going to revise the same stuff for the upcoming first midterm and first term examinations. Okay, my dear students, keep revising the task and see you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.